I'm Chef Henri Donneaux from HRC Academy in Sofia, and I'm here today to announce the launching of the scholarship for the intake of September 2021. You have to be admitted at the school in order to participate, and the deadline is on September 10th. The theme of the scholarship this semester is going to be street food. So you're going to have to create a recipe about a street food item, and also a mood board or video about this recipe. A few things to keep in mind about the street food. Well, I think number one is that it should be easy to eat, since it's meant to be eaten on the street, not sitting down. And also maybe a cool way of packaging it, wrapping. It has to be done in a small space. Usually these kitchens are very tiny. Also simply executed in a way of serving. It could be prepared before, but also when it's time to serving, it should be quickly executed. People are waiting in line for the food. Taking all this into consideration, I really hope to see a lot of creative dishes from you. And again, the deadline is September 10th, 2021. See you in September. Good luck.